Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys two ways to teleport to the summer quest on Dress to Impress. The first way is you do have to wait until you're in the lobby, and you're just going to go here. You're just going to press no, obviously, so I can show you the other one. If you're in the game already, you're not in the actual lobby, you can just open menu and select teleport. And here's where you can teleport to the summer quest event instead of waiting for the lobby to teleport. And that is how you can get into the summer quest on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Hope you can finish the summer quest and get your prizes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.